How to make money by using ChatGPT. In the name of God. ChatGPT, the text-based artificial intelligence model by OpenAI, has gained huge popularity in quick time. It had 1 million users in just 5 days of launch. The model has been trained with a lot of resources to respond to almost any kind of query. In the last few weeks, users across the world have been asking all sorts of questions to ChatGPT and posting the answers on social media. Joining the trend today, we asked ChatGPT how to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. The old model came up with 5 ways of making money in 2023 using ChatGPT. 1. Offering consulting or development services to help others integrate the ChatGPT model into their own projects or products. 2. Creating and selling training data to improve the performance of the ChatGPT model on specific tasks or industries. 3. Using ChatGPT to generate unique and engaging content for social media, blogs, or websites and monetizing that content through advertising or sponsored posts. 4. Using ChatGPT to develop automated trading or investment strategy and monetizing through trading or consulting. 5. Creating a subscription-based service where users pay to access a chatbot developed with ChatGPT for customer service, virtual assistants, or other tasks.